You ready?
I don't even know how to begin.
Do you remember the first time of being physically abusive?
No.
Would you be able to describe the kinds of abuse that there was?
Oh, yeah. That's tough. It never leaves your mind.
I didn't think you'd actually show up for that first conversation. It had been 20 years, and now I finally had a chance to get some answers.
Are you okay with me asking you about the abuse?
Yeah.
Okay. What are some of the things that you remember doing?
I do remember you crying and saying you were sorry. At the time, I remember thinking, well, if you're sorry, stop. Have you ever come back here?
Never.
I remember I'd run out the door, yelling and screaming for help. No one on this street ever helped.
I think our lockers were right around here.
I never looked up in this school because I was afraid that you'd see me looking up at someone. So for me, when I come here, I'm just like, whoa, this is what it looks like.
I really just want you to be okay, and I don't know where you are with that.
Do you think Steve is getting what you're talking about?
I do, yeah.
You were terrified of me. I thought you were gonna die.
I feel like, for the first time ever, that I'm healing. What I've learned the most is that we really need to be talking about this in a public way.